In the mist-veiled meadows of rural Britain, where hedgerows whisper secrets and foxgloves nod like sentinels, a curious ritual unfolds each spring, one that blurs the line between liberation and voyeurism, serenity and spectacle. Naked gardening, once a fringe eccentricity, now pulses through the veins of the countryside like an ancient rite reborn. It begins at dawn. The fog clings to the earth like a breath withheld. A lone figure steps barefoot into the dew-soaked grass, skin pale against the emerald hush. No clothes. No armor. Only pruning shears and a quiet defiance. The garden, once a place of cultivation, becomes a stage for vulnerability. Every rustle in the thicket, every crow's caw overhead, feels like a watcher's gaze. Locals speak in hushed tones. They do it for freedom, some say. For the thrill, say others. But beneath the surface lies something older, a pagan echo, a primal urge to merge with soil and sky. The countryside, with its winding lanes and ivy-choked ruins, becomes a theater of suspense. Who gardens nude behind that crumbling stone wall? What secrets bloom in the hedges? There are tales of a man seen trimming roses in the buff, only to vanish when approached. Of a woman who weeds her allotment at midnight, lit only by moonlight and the flicker of a lantern. Of strangers drawn to the spectacle, unsure whether to laugh, blush, or run. The tension is palpable, not erotic, but existential. What does it mean to be exposed in a world that watches? Even the plants seem complicit. Vines curl like fingers, nettles sting like warnings, the wind carries whispers through the lupins and lavender. And somewhere, beyond the hedgerow, a camera clicks. It's not just gardening. It's a dare. A dance with discomfort. A slow unraveling of propriety in the heart of England's green and pleasant land. And as the sun rises higher, casting long shadows across naked limbs and trembling leaves, one question lingers like the scent of wild thyme. Who's really watching, and why?